Next section, theories of intelligence. Intelligence is a diffuse concept. There are multitude of theories that attempt to explain it. Some involves a general intelligence. Some involve situational factors. Some involves both. The important theories of intelligence are: first, unitary theory or monarch theory. Second, Spearman's two-factor theory. 3. Thorndike's multiple factor theory. 4. Thurston's group factor theory. 5. Guilford structure of intellect. 6. Harvard-Gardner theory of multiple intelligence. 7. Cattell-Horn-Carroll theory. 8. Piaget's theory. Detail going on. First, unitary theory or monarch theory. This theory holds that intelligence consists of all pervasive capacity in all what he thinks and acts. Bennett, Terman, and some other classical psychologists support this view. According to this theory, if one has a fount of intelligence, he can utilize it to any area of his life. Second, Spearman two-factor theory. G. General factors. S. Specific factors. Look at this picture. General factors, specific factors. General, specific. Spearman proposed two-factor theory. According to this theory, G factor, general mental ability. S factor, specific mental ability. G factor is largely innate. The amount of share of G and S indifferent. Intellectual activity. Three, Thorndike's multiple factor theory. He opposes the theory of general intelligence. Intelligence constituted of multitude of separate factors. This theory known as atomistic theory of intelligence. According to him, intelligence is nothing more than a convenient name for almost infinite number of actual or potential specific connections between the stimuli and response. Thorndike, four attributes of intelligence. First, level. This refers to the difficulty of a task that can be solved. Second, range refers to the number of tasks at any given degree of difficulty that we can solve. Third, area refers to the total number of situations at each level. 4. Speed, rapidity. An individual can respond. Next theory, Thurston's group factor theory. According to this theory, intelligence not an expression of a number of highly specific factors. It is the expression of primary, of general factors. Mental operations have in common a primary factors. Thurston concluded that 7 primary mental abilities emerged clearly enough for identification and use in test designing. They are 7 primary mental ability PMA. First, space visualization. Ability to visualize geometrical patterns in space. Second, perceptual speed, quick and accurate noting of details. Third, numerical ability, quicker and accuracy in simple arithmetic operation. Four, verbal comprehension, knowledge of meaning and relationship of words. 5, word fluency, ability to think and use many isolated words at a rapid rate. 6, rote memory, immediate recall of materials learned. 7, reasoning, ability to see relationship in situations described in symbols. Five, Guilford's structure of intellect. Result of factors analysis by Guilford and his associates at the University of South California. Mind is composed of 3 major dimensions. Process of first content, second operation, third product. Look at this picture. Contents: visual, auditory, symbolic, semantic, behavioral. Operations: evaluation, convergent production, divergent production, memory, cognition. Productions: units, classes, relations, systems, transformation, implications. Guilford's different components of intelligence. First, 6 operations. 2, 5 contents. 3, 6 product. 1, 5 contents. First content, visual content. Concrete material which has been perceived through ideas. Second, auditory content, information perceived through ears. 3, symbolic contents, components of letter and digital. 4, semantic content, clear-cut verbal meaning, ideas, self-explanation. 5, behavioral content, social intelligence, human communication. 2. 6 operations. First, cognition, understanding, comprehension, immediate discovery. 2. Memory recording, learning process, short-term memory. 3. Memory retention, long-term memory. 4. Convergent thinking, general information from given data. 5. Divergent thinking, thinking different directions, creative thinking. 6. Evaluation, decision as goodness and correctness. Third, 6 productions. First, units similar to Gestalt psychology of figure and ground. Second, classes. Consumptions underlying set of information grouped by 3 common properties. Third, relations, connection between items of information based on variables. For systems, it is aggregate of items of information with a structure. 5. Transformation, change like redefinition, modification in existing information. 6. Implication, connection with the exploration of information, production and consequences. According to Guilford, there are 180 different mental ability. 6 into 5 into 6 is equal to 180 mental abilities. Next theory, Howard Gardner, the theory of multiple intelligence. In his book, Framer of Mind, he listed 8 types of intelligence. 8 types of intelligence. First, linguistic intelligence, verbal ability. Second, logical mathematical intelligence, reasoning. Third, spatial intelligence, displayed by engineers and architects. Fourth, kinesthetic intelligence, displayed by dancers, surgeons. 5. Musical intelligence, displayed by musicians. 6. Interpersonal intelligence, public relations officer. 7. Interpersonal intelligence, exhibited by planners. 8. Naturalistic intelligence, poets, horticulturists. Next theory, Castiglione-Carroll theory. American psychologist. The Castiglione-Carroll theory is widely accepted as the most comprehensive and empirically supported theory of cognitive abilities. The ongoing development of IQ test, Castiglione-Carroll listed following intelligence. Fluid intelligence, GF, solve problems using unfamiliar information. Crystallized intelligence, GC, includes the breadth and depth of persons' acquired knowledge, the ability to communicate. quantitative reasoning, GQ, the ability to manipulate numerical symbols. Reading and writing ability, GRW, include basic reading and writing skills. Memory, GSM, is the ability to apprehend and hold informations. Long-term storage and retrieval, GLR, is the ability to store information. Visual processing, GV, is the ability to perceive, analyze, synthesize. Auditory processing, GA, is the ability to analyze, synthesize and discriminate auditory stimuli. Processing speed, GS, is the ability to perform automatic cognitive tasks. Decision reaction time speed, GT, reflect the immediacy. Eight, Piaget's theory of intelligence. Piaget's theory of cognitive development is a comprehensive theory about the nature and development of human intelligence. He believed that children's construct an understanding of the world around them experience discrepancies between what already know and what they discover in their environment, then adjust their ideas accordingly. Four main stages of intelligence. First, sensory motor stage, birth to 2 years. Second, pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. 3, concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years. 4, formal operational stage, 11 to 16 years. Look at this picture. Sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, formal operational. First stage, sensory motor stage, birth to 2 years. Main characteristics: the infant knows the world through their movements and sensations. Children learn about the world through basic actions such as sucking, grasping, looking, and listening. Second stage, pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. During the pre-operational stage, the cognitive development. Piaget noted that children do not yet understand concrete logic and cannot mentally manipulate information. Children increase in playing and pretending task place in this stage. However, the children still have trouble seeing things from different points of view. The children's play in mainly categorized by symbolic play and manipulating symbols. Such play is demonstrated by the idea of checkers being snacks, pieces of paper being plates, and a box being a table, etc. 3. Concrete operational stage 7 to 11 years, characterized by the appropriate use of logic. During this stage, a child thought processing become more nature and the adult like. They start solving problem in a more logical fashion. Abstract hypothetical thinking is not yet developed in the child, and children can only solve problems that apply to concrete objects. 4. Final operation stage 11 to 16 years. The final stage, adolescence and into adulthood, regularly age 11 to approximately 15 to 20 years. Intelligence is demonstrated through the logical use of symbols related to abstract concepts. This form of thought includes assumptions that have no necessary relations to reality. At this point, the person is capable of hypothetical and deductive reasoning. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.